Automate reporting with iTools app. The pros, the cons. Automate reporting with iTools app is designed to make data analysis faster and smarter. Most people get this wrong by manually compiling reports, but here's the surprising truth: I can gather, analyze, and visualize data in seconds, saving hours of work. A major pro is time efficiency. iTools can pull data from multiple sources, generate charts, and summarize insights automatically. For example, a sales manager can get a weekly performance report instantly, instead of spending hours in spreadsheets. You won't believe how much productivity improves with automated reporting. Another advantage is accuracy. It minimizes human error in calculations and ensures data consistency, which is essential for financial, marketing, or operational reports. Customization and real-time updates are also benefits. Many tools allow dashboards to be tailored to specific metrics and automatically refresh with new data, giving teams up-to-date insights at any time. On the downside, some platforms require subscriptions and setup can be technical for beginners. Over-reliance on automation without understanding the data may lead to misinterpretation, so human oversight remains crucial. In conclusion, Automate reporting with iTools app is a game-changer for businesses and teams that rely on data. By saving time, improving accuracy, and delivering real-time insights, iReporting tools allow decision-makers to focus on strategy rather than data crunching, making your workflow more efficient and effective.